Okay guys, on today's episode, we're going to be replacing the washer fluid water bottle and pump, because on my Polaris Ranger, my pump died, so it's better to replace the whole unit as one piece instead of separating the pump from the bottle, because it has a seal on it. You don't want to break that seal with the pump. The part number for this is part number 2205139. Okay, what I'm going to be using is my D-Vol 12 volt little impact drill, 6-inch extension, and using a T25 bit on it for the 4 screws that are attached to the body of the Ranger. All right guys, I'm gonna open up my garage. I'm gonna start working on this.
All right, inside here, you have 4 screws. You got one down there, another one, so you got 2 on each side. 2 here and 2 here on that side. So I'm gonna start removing them.
Yeah, for the bottom one, you need to use a swivel to get to it.
Okay. Move all these wires. Okay, so the tank has 2 wires, positive, negative here. And just unplug it like that. And then your water.
Like that. So this is the old one. My fluid's still full, so it's gonna start leaking. So I'm gonna put it on the side here.
Now, got our wiring connection. I'm gonna put some dielectric grease on it to give it a better connection, like keep it waterproof, have it connected so it doesn't rust out or anything, because all the off-roading that we do and the water crossings and stuff.
Little dielectric grease You get it at Princess Auto or Harbor Freight. Very simple. Okay, take your new bottle, fish it in there, put on the water pipe connection here, and then let's do the electrical. That's it. That's that. Fish the bottle back in here. Okay, that's good. That's it. That's done. Now let's just pour the old fluid back into here. If possible. Close enough. That's it. So that's the old bottle, empty. So this goes into the garbage. And that's it. Let's try it out. Let's see if it works. Okay guys, we filled the water bottle back up for the windshield washer fluid. Now let's go test it out if it works. Yeah, so there you have it. Motor's working now. Water's full of fluid. We're gonna put the hood back on. Alright. That's it. Alright guys, there you have it. Simple little how to install a water bottle for your front windshield washer, fluid motor, and washer. Alright guys, that's it. Please like, subscribe, comment. Maybe we'll be lucky, we'll get 4 likes on this video, kind of thing. Alright guys, have a good one.